Today we'll be making spicy pad thai. Here are the ingredients that you need for this recipe. This recipe makes enough for 4 servings. Start off with the rice noodles. Follow the packaging instructions. Usually you soak it in hot water for about 25 to 30 minutes. This is usually the most time-consuming step, so I start off with this first and set it aside while I prepare the other ingredients. The next step is to prepare all the vegetables that you're going to be using. Just slice them up and it saves you a lot of time. You want to thinly slice the bell peppers. I usually use about 2, but you can use more if you would like. You also want to shred up your carrots as well. I bought pre-shredded carrots from the store. However, if you're doing it at home, just make sure to thinly slice them. Heat up some oil in a large pot. The first step I usually do is to scramble some eggs if I'm making it with meats that cook very easily like shrimp in today's recipe. However, if you're using chicken breast, I would advise adding that in first as that takes longer to cook, and then adding in the eggs to scramble at the end. You also add in all the veggies that you prepared, like the carrots and the bell peppers, or even other veggies to your liking as well. And then I usually leave it on medium heat for the remainder of the time as I prepare the sauce. For the limes, I usually like to keep it separate from the rest of the sauce, so I juice the limes individually into a small bowl and set that aside while I prepare the rest of the ingredients for the sauce. In a large bowl, prepare the rest of the ingredients. I usually add 1 cup of brown sugar. Depending on personal preference, if you like your pad thai to be sweeter, you can add a little bit more brown sugar to the recipe as well. Follow up with half a cup of rice vinegar, half a cup of fish sauce, half a cup of soy sauce, and half a cup of sriracha. Next, I like to spoon in some peanut butter, usually half a cup as well. Next, I use some gochujang, just 1 tablespoon of it to give it some extra heat, and I mix all of the ingredients for the sauce together. While I'm preparing the sauce, I'm also keeping an eye on the vegetables that are cooking on medium heat and looking at them again. They seem ready, so I put in all of the pad thai and dump in the sauce as well and just give it a really good mix. You want to mix everything together on medium heat for about 5 to 10 minutes. This will help cook the noodles without overcooking them, as well as helping the sauce reduce and become creamier and thicker. Add in the green onions and cilantro for toppings and give everything a good mix once again for about 2 to 5 minutes. Pour in the lime juice that you prepared beforehand and turn the heat down to low and mix everything together again for another couple minutes. And you can turn off the heat and give the noodles a taste and they should be cooked. Add a handful of crushed peanuts to top off and sprinkle some chopped green onions or cilantro as well. And there you have it. I hope you enjoy this spicy pad thai recipe. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up or subscribe to my channel for more recipes like this.